Good morning from the Thoughtful Gardener. I wanted to show you what a native garden can look like. This is a part shade garden, and you can see that new plants are protected by hardware cloth and just a plant stake. And these are stunningly gorgeous, isn't it? I get the message sometimes that, well, native plant gardens are messy and they don't look good. I'd be hard-pressed to say that this doesn't look absolutely spectacular. I absolutely love the colors and the textures that she's used here. And you can see that she is a pollinator-friendly garden here. And let's take a little walk down the pathway here. So you can see she's got her vegetable gardens here. But on this side are things that bring in the pollinators. It's really smart to incorporate pollinator plants right by your vegetable garden. That way you get lots more vegetables. Especially want to show you this guy. That is a chocolate flower. If you like chocolate, you need chocolate flower in your life. It smells just like the Hershey Chocolate Factory. I absolutely love it. And you can see how stunningly beautiful this looks. So we've got Penstemon. The red and yellow is a really beautiful plant. And I'm forgetting the name, so I'm going to show it to you. Indian pinks. So, but you can see both sun and shade do well. This lady is donating 250 native plants to the Master Gardeners today. We are really super grateful for that. But she's mixed in other, what I would call chocolate cakes into this garden. You can see right there, that's not a native, but it is well loved by both the hummingbirds and the bees. She says they go absolutely crazy for some of these plants. But look how pretty the native grasses look. I also love that she is using rainwater and helping to use that rainwater to preserve her garden. Now she goes, oh my gosh, I have weeds. We all have weeds. It's okay. It's part of the process. You can see her Amsonia gives me some pause since we just planted some in the historical home that I'm putting together, and that is getting huge. It looks gorgeous. Yellow yarrow. Look at all of these gorgeous plants. I just want to inspire you that you too can do this in your own yard. She's got her other vegetable garden getting going. Had kind of a late season here, but I want to show you her setup as well. Look at that beautiful Baptista. It's the purple one there. And then you got Solomon seal, but look how full and beautiful. I mean, I would say you probably don't have a lot of weeding to do back here because of how full this area is. Natives just really take over, and it looks absolutely stunning. So funny, there's all kinds of little birds and squirrels and wildlife here. So much fun to watch. So she told me that she got these potting tables, and this is how she keeps her animals out of her annuals. She does grow native annuals as well, hundreds of them for her yard. She said she's going to be switching to perennials because it's a lot of work. I get it. It is a lot of work if you are constantly replanting things, which is why we love our native plants, because they come back year after year, low maintenance. And this is going to be a meadow that she's putting in. She's used sheet mulch here. For all of you who don't believe me that cardboard doesn't work, works pretty darn good. So she started that last fall. So I want to inspire you to try natives this year in your garden. What's growing in your garden? Hope you guys are having a great day.